Every finance journey starts with a decision, and that one decision has brought you right here. This is Patel Nagar Metro Station. Exit from gate number 1, and in just 200 meters walk, you are stepping into a space built for people who want more than just a degree. Welcome to Quintedge. Let's go in. This name on the wall isn't just a sign. It represents 10,000 plus students trained. It represents a clear belief that finance is learned by doing, not memorizing. Come, let me show you inside where real finance careers are built.
Hello, welcome.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you.
Let's quickly get you checked in. Thank you. Enjoy your campus tour.
Thank you, ma'am. As we stand at the front desk, there is a vibe you cannot miss. Greenery all around brings the breath of fresh air. Podcast playing on the wall instantly draws you to the world of finance and learning that lives here. Towards your right, spotlight shines on Wall of Fame, a tribute to our top performers. Each frame here tells a different story of hard work and success, a true reminder that dreams do come true within these walls. Directly opposite, Mentor's Wall command attention. Lined with faces of industry veterans and expert faculty who have shaped not just lessons but careers. Their experience is the backbone of Quintedge ecosystem. And you cannot miss our recruiters wall, where we proudly display our top-tier companies, investment banks, consulting firms, and global MNCs, all of whom have placed their trust in Quintedge talent. This is not just a wall, it is a gateway to where our finance students are headed. Now that you've seen the journey and you've seen where it leads to, let's begin at the first step and visit one of our classrooms. And this is where innovation meets learning. Welcome to one of our smart classes at Quintedge. Equipped with smart boards, high-speed Wi-Fi, and fully soundproof environment, this class is designed to keep distractions out and engagement in. And the PTZ camera captures every angle perfectly, making sure our online student feels they're sitting here, right in the front row. Now you've seen the setup. PTZ camera, smart boards, a truly immersive learning environment. But that's not something that makes this classroom different. It's the way we run it. Let's hear from Mr. Shubham Goyat himself. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, can you walk us through your approach of teaching at Quintedge?
Sure. See, the idea is that we build a lecture plan which not only focuses on the bookish knowledge, but rather enhances the overall experience. So we keep adding case studies, examples, questions, and regular tests to make sure that it's an overall system for learning that is created for the students. One example that I can give specific is that in CFA, we have a particular subject where we study financial statements of the companies. So having bookish knowledge is not really useful because when you go to job, you'll actually have to look at statements of the companies. So we keep connecting every chapter with a real life company's annual report to make sure students are connecting what we study in the books with what we will actually be applying in our jobs.
So the support doesn't end there, right? We take it beyond classrooms.
Sure. Classroom is just first part of the process. We enhance the overall experience for the student with regular revision sessions. We hold test sessions also. And all of it is further enhanced by the online ecosystem in the form of the entire platform, plus the AI doubt solver, which is available 24/7 for the students.
Okay, let's also talk about the guest lectures that we plan. What is the idea behind it?
See, the idea is students should always be aware of the recent trends and up-to-date application of skills that is relevant in the job market. So what you cover in the books may not fully be a representation of what is to be applied in the day. So to bridge that gap, we always have interactions with industry experts and try to make sure that what we are imparting to students is up-to-date knowledge with the latest industry trends.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Now, do you know what makes Quintedge different? Structured learning, real-time support, and exposure to what's happening out there in the finance industry. Now, let me take you to another one of our classrooms where we solve doubts and where focus is crystal clear. And this is another one of our classrooms where focus is crystal clear. At Quintedge, we do not just answer your doubts, we encourage you to ask questions. This is where doubt solving sessions are conducted, and let me tell you, doubt solving is the core of our classroom culture. With multiple classrooms running simultaneously, we offer flexible scheduling options that can suit every student. Either you are a college student, a working professional, or even if you're somebody who wants to prepare just on weekends. We have an option that suits you so that learning fits you, not the other way around. This place is purpose-built for comfort, clarity, and connections. We often have ideas, but don't know how to communicate them in rooms that matter. Which is why we built the Roundtable Room, where case studies aren't just discussed, they are debated, dissected, and challenged. This is where students learn to think like an analyst, discussing real-world business problems, pitching ideas, backing decisions with logic, and learning how to defend them under pressure. With a mentor keeping close watch, this room is not about being right. It's about learning how to think. But here comes another problem. How do you land a perfect job? This is where our career launchpad comes in. In our placement assistance, you are given one-on-one mentoring sessions on how to build your resume, how to revamp your LinkedIn profiles. This is where you go from being a student to being a working professional. This is not just a space, it's a mission to help you discover, prepare, and land the right opportunity. Our students have cracked roles in investment banking, equity research, and valuation profiles with top recruiters like Tres Vista, KPMG, EY, and so many more. Here, every student's journey is unique. We make sure they're ready not just for the job, but for the right job. Let's hear from Mr. Anmol Dhawan himself, who is placement head at Quintedge. Hello, sir.
Hello.
So, can you walk us through your placement support system here at Quintedge? Like, what's the process?
At Quintedge, we do not treat placement as a checkbox. First, we try to understand the student, their strengths, their weaknesses, and more importantly, we see where they want to go. From there, we try to see like where they actually fit in. If someone is having analytical and structure mindset, we try to push that candidate towards equity research roles. If someone is having strong communication and curiosity, we always push that candidate for investment banking roles. We replicate the real life environment for interviews and case studies as that of KPMG, EY, and Tres Vista. At the end of the day, we equip our students through mock interview sessions, body language sessions, LinkedIn optimization, and resume building session, so that any opportunity knocks, they are ready to open the door confidently.
Okay, great, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And once you are ready, you get access to our exclusive job portal with over 250 recruiters hiring actively from ID, consulting, fintech firms, and so much more. And do you think that's it? Not quite. This is where students present their pitches and get reviewed by our expert educators. Ideas are tested, presentations are challenged. Some students get the approving nod, whereas others get rejected. It is intense, it is honest, just like it is in any high stakes corporate environment. Because we are not just trying to teach you, we are trying to train you to thrive under pressure. After the intensity of the pitch room, this place feels like a breather. Welcome to our counseling room. Here, it's not about your grades and pitches, it's about you, your dreams, your goals, your journey. Whether you are confused about your career paths, struggling with self doubt, or just need someone to help realign your goals, our counselors are here to listen, guide, and support. No cookie clutter advice, just real one-to-one conversations. Let's hear more about it from our senior admission counselor, Ms. Pragya Agarwal. Hello, Ms. Pragya.
Hi, Arjun.
So let me ask you this. What is the first thing you try to understand as soon as the student approaches you?
So, as soon as a student approaches us, we try to understand their aspirations, what their background is educationally, professionally, and what they're looking for truly. And accordingly, we try to navigate their career path.
Okay, so how exactly do you help them choose a course? Like what's right for them?
So, based on the information they have provided to us, we try to lay a roadmap for them. So, if somebody is looking for something globally, we try to recommend them ACCA course. If they are trying to look something in core finance, then CFA plus investment banking should be the course for them.
Okay, makes sense. So let's say a student is completely confused about which course to choose or what to go forward. How do you help such students?
So that happens more often than you would think. A lot of students are utterly confused, not very sure as to what they want to do. Last week I was taking one counseling. She was coming from UPSC background, failed thrice in her journey. Now she wanted to quit that, but she was very passionate about economics. So we tried to navigate her career trajectory and I suggested her to go for CFA. So this week, I think yesterday itself, she enrolled with us and she came to me saying that, that was the right thing she feels now that she wants to do ahead.
Okay, that must feel great, right? Okay, so how do you decide as a counselor that a student is now ready to enroll into a course?
So we don't rush them. We try to give them their time and space, have an informed choice. We arrange demo sessions for them, have an interaction with faculty, be sure in their head and then go for a course.
Makes sense. So let me ask you a personal question here. What is your favorite part about working at Quintedge?
So personally, it feels extremely rewarding seeing students from not being confident enough, not very sure in their career paths, to being utterly confident now, having a clear picture of their career trajectory. That's the most rewarding part of the job.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And this is the real engine, our workstation. Here, ideas take shape, decisions are made, and operations come to life. Behind every lecture, every course, every success story, there is a team constantly working hard to make that happen. The unseen effort behind the scenes is what makes Quintedge going on, day after day, student after student. Now, let's talk about the conversations that we have with CFAs, FRM, ACCA, and investment bankers in this room. We talk about how the real finance world works, what was their journey like, what were the mistakes they committed, and what would they do if they have to start today. All things that you can learn from how to survive and prosper in the finance industry. This podcast, the ROI Show, will help you actually analyze the ROI of different finance careers and make a mindset if it suits you. And if it does, what can you do to survive in the industry? From classrooms to counseling sessions, from pitch decks to meaningful conversation. Everything in Quintedge is built with one thing in mind, to prepare you, not just for exams, but for the real world. And this idea didn't start in some boardroom. It started with a real question. What if finance education felt real? And let's hear from the person himself who was behind this journey from day one, Mr. Yash Jain.
Hi, I have been there where most of you are, ambitious but confused. The students are chasing certificates and the industry is chasing skills. But we at Quintedge want to give you both. We want to make you industry ready and also help you to clear your exams with very good marks. That's where Quintedge helps in. And I have built Quintedge in such a way that I wish I would have got such learning experience. Something that is real, honest, and not only makes you ready for industry, but set you to lead it.